Finally, we've designed Lassie to work as a code library that you can put into your Go application. We want developers to be able to use Lassie to add retrieval to IPFS and Filecoin to their projects and not have this be like a big endeavor. We're already seeing this start to emerge. We see this as a long-term superpower. We would love to partner with your team if you want to integrate Lassie into your code base. So. There's a few things that Lassie won't do, and this is specifically because we want to keep the purpose really focused and keep it lightweight. Our goal is to retrieve data. There's features that are left out. We do not actually hold a permanent data store on your machine. We fetch things and give them back to you as car files. And this is important because it just limits a lot of complexity and enables us to focus just on retrieval. And that also means because we are not holding data, we are not providing records back to the DHT. Again, we're a retrieval client, not a server. Yeah, so Lassie is not a server implementation. We think design constraints are good. And we think this is useful. Interesting fun fact, there is an in development companion to Lassie that is just a server. Stay tuned. We think it's important to stay focused, and this enables us to do cool stuff. Okay, we're gonna watch Lassie do stuff. Here we are. We're fetching stuff. We're putting in our command line, we're fetching, we put in a content, and we're gonna extract it and play it. And because you can pipe it directly from a car to the Go car tool, and then to FFmpeg, we are actually downloading and playing a video automatically from the command line. All right, sorry, that was very fast. I did not mean to skip right into that slide so quickly, but I guess my presentation is skipping around so much. So you can see what we did there is we actually put in a Lassie fetch, we piped the output to extract it from the Go car tool, and then we piped the output again into the FFmpeg player, and it opens up a video. There are a lot of other cool things you can do. Lassie's production ready. We are already using it to download almost all the content on the Saturn network. And we're downloading 140 million savings per week with it. So I think it's actually ready to be used in your programs. We think we're going to hit 1.0 soon. There's a lot of other cool, here's a bunch of links. I'm not going to go through all of these because they are, because you can't get to them anyway from the presentation. But if you look at the presentation afterwards, you can see this, where we are going. We're already seeing Lassie start to show up in places. Lassie is now integrated into Station, the deployment that allows people to run Filecoin retrieval checks directly from their own machines and are in Filecoin doing that. And we are deploying it into a number of other things right now. It is a tool that is designed to go everywhere. Yes, I love it. We'd love to integrate Lassie into Spice XYZ. This is what I love. Okay, cool. You can go to all these links or hit me up on Filecoin Slack, and I would love to chat with you if you want to integrate it into your program. Cool. Sorry for the long presentation.
Thank you so much, Hannah. And if anyone has more questions, feel free to drop them into the chat for her. We will be moving on to Jake from Third Web, who's here to talk to us about the challenges of building in Web3, how Third Web plans to solve that, and also what he would like to see builders, be able to focus on once they don't have to worry so much about infrastructure.